and the rope. Early lead is taken by Fantastic G from the outside, and moving up by the rail is Don't Touch the Wine, Victory Choice, Yanni Song, Fantastic G, Run, Algeria Run, and My Big Oz. Victory Choice moving up on the inside, and Don't Touch the Wine on the outside. Yanni Song running in third, My Big Oz closing in fourth, Fantastic G, and Run, Algeria Run. And at the mid-back stretch, it is still Victory Choice by half a length. Don't Touch the Wine running in second, My Big Oz closing in third, Yanni Song, Fantastic G, and Run, Algeria Run. And at the last bend for home, it is still entry number 1, and that is Victory Choice. And moving up now on the inside, My Big Oz. And on the farther outside, Don't Touch the Wine, Fantastic G, Yanni Song. And at the top of the stretch, and nearing the payoff line, My Big Oz grabbing the lead on the inside, and Victory Choice on the outside. And nearing the payoff line, still My Big Oz in the lead. And finally, entry number 4, My Big Oz, Victory Choice, Fantastic G, Run, Algeria Run, Yanni Song, and Don't Touch the Wine.